cái đèn cái tia gì nghe bay cái này bôi bay bôi bay bôi bay bôi thì tay đen ngari ko patay ta piki bol dam thì tay tang hol khat be ka tha lo la kyang pi ka hi ro tang hol khat be ka tha lo le thằng cô khát bẹ cả thả đi he thằng cô khát bẹ Pathen gal mi te kon avelin ne hal ha sa hin ka ti hin alung ka to lo ji ang hin ten 93 halaya sangin cái này có gỗ tâm giọt trệ hay sụp mang bị tàu về nhưng tiện chị 가리
On today of 24th April 2026, Friday, starting from 6 a.m. in the morning, the Tangkhul militant started attacking the villages of Mulam and Songper, and they started burning the houses of the Mulam village, and right after that they started attacking the villagers of the Songper village. So here now we can see some of the villagers were severely injured. So let's see some of the villagers. They are taking shelter to prevent from the Tangkhul militant. Here our mother is the wife of the local pastor. Her hand is hit by the bullet, which is fired by Tangkhul militant.
Hi everyone, we are now here in Mulam village. I'm making this video because of the disturbing narrative that is being pushed by sections of the mainstream media, which is completely misleading and incomplete and poles apart from the ground reality. So Mulam is a Kuki village that came under a coordinated attack from multiple directions this morning, starting from around 5:30. At the same time, village volunteers from Songpal who were rushing to assist were ambushed. And in that ambush, two Kuki village volunteers lost their lives, while one Tangkhul militant from the attacking side was also killed. We are currently in Mulam, where, as you can see, heavy security forces deployment have been made. They are mainly here for investigation and area domination, and also to prevent further attack on the village. You can see these vehicles from BSF, the police personnel and army, they are already here. We'll move forward and show you the houses that were burned down this morning.
kare an kho hem hon sin tu kai
So guys, right now we are here in Mulam, which is a Kuki village that came under attack from multiple directions this morning since around 5:30 a.m. If you look at that hilltop, I think one team of the Tangkul militants, there's a way it leads to Sirarikhom. So one team came from the temporary camp that they have set up at the top of that hill, and over that side, if you can pan the camera there, at the ridge of that hill was the ambush. There was one team of the Tangkul militants who did the ambush on Kuki village volunteers, where 2 village volunteers were killed, and one of the attackers, Tangkul militants, got killed there while attacking the village volunteers who were rushing from Songpel to assist the people of Mulam. And over here, if you look at, heavy security deployments have been made. The police are here, BSF and the army, they have already arrived here. They have already done area domination and to safeguard the villagers and to prevent further attack on Mulam. And one more point is that another direction, I mean it was from multiple directions. The village was under attack from this downward of the village. So one team of Tangkul militants came from the direction of Sinakek village. So the narrative that is being pushed on many of the mainstream media houses that Sinakek was under attack by Kuki militants, wherein one village volunteers got killed, that is absolutely misleading, incomplete, and poles apart from the ground reality. We are here standing right now in Mulam, showing you all the security arrangements that have been made to prevent further attack on Mulam village. We will also take you to different spots in the village where houses were burnt. In a total, 16 houses were burnt this morning while the village was under attack with heavy gunfires using automatic weapons and explosives as well. Of the houses that was burnt this morning, we will take you to more spots to show you the completely burned down houses and more details from the ground report suggest that the bullets that were used in attacking the village and also carrying out that ambush, the bullets were from State Armory. So the narrative that the attack was made by the combined team of NACN Eastern Flank and Arambai Tangle holds true as per the ground reports of the sources of those bullets. Look at these houses, they've been completely burned, and see, I think there's still some fire left if you can zoom in the camera. So people carrying out a full-scale attack on a village and then trying to debate a story of a false story of reporting Sinakek under attack by the Kuki is completely disgusting and unbelievable. I don't know to what extent people stoop low to sell their narrative.
Amasanis YouTube channel an vi ho zo se na bonun se bai tunya hin ho lim video hile nunga mercy khongsai ukrul gam kaya ki so lamkai spokesperson jong hin ama to yung ki holim na diu thu chu hile zani date 20 izata
4.
ha date date 24 April 2026 ni khwa tangkhul thingnoi hon mulam khu agahalova igol hangteu mini ahin kablu bova amho zong ahatu dal ha to athi to kiteu bin hi ke solam kai hon amun aga chevin aga khol chin win hit si thu hi nunga marsi ko na update hin la de hin tin ki pau me marsi nami pite head thading anang update piding an hungum theizin
Hey.
marsi chi na mulam le song phelanga thil so hi ipiti dana hung ki pana ipiha up ipi je penta aga ete go ham ti hi halkhan hin sema saw
Ipi ji penta ti wang chu ai ho clear thana ko thading wang chen pon hiang le it could be traced back to whatever have happened at TM Kasom na TM Kasoma mo mini ambusha hung thi chu ai ho ingo o hin achung chona cho mo ai ti a ever silent ti diam TNL president pau chu boitila pa na phatnalam mano athu sei na ding ang chu ki ho pi ding ang chu ani lo hin a hin 18 April ni khwa TM ka so ma mi ni ahung thia so ma very fiery ti di ham press statement kha cho ni pi in chiba manani sei chu muang ini mu so ke di tawin you will see the answer in 2-3 days at the 2-3 days ang ati point 3-4 days ati hin it is right after a hilo wanga chu 18 ya thil so chu among hung ki howa nelam khana chu akimu chu amo hi gal bolding in am ta ve ti chu a hin gal apat mo tai ti theilo ma hitan na ibizia chu ke sai ham tele allegation chu i ho cookie ho ingo o hin 18 ni khwa thil so pen chu chule alam kai ho yang to a hi amo thil bol zo che chu a sel khobuwa cookie te zo hin git lo ki bola cookie zo te chun git lo ki bola amo chu provoke ki bol jing dana saiwa hi chu chung buma chu TNL president pa sword versum chun rightful war hi de he ti na ya so ama say dung zo ya so if we go by whatever statement he have given si dung zo ya so chia le wang chun they have started the war ti thei jeng he gal ki pat na ti di mai hin te amwa dinga
ale chi ei mi gol hangteu mi ni thi hi iti dana thi hi divem ki kap to ham ai lova le khaten analam tinova embu sa thi ti ding ai da mi piti dan ha
chu see ambush ti di he na the location of Mulam is such that a mohin multi directional kat attack and bolo hin sirari khong tele mulam chung langa chu mol sirari khong kiti kho khat china molum hin mol cha sanga sang hin very amwadinga chu kilem chang ma chilanga chi sirari khong langa panang chu tim khanin mulam chu an lon du na bale atolanga mulam kho noi langa sinake thil kiti apanang chu tim khat hung to hung ke na aile both side na attack and bolwa hi strategically they are very smart both side na attack ki bola le chun song phala pa na chu mula ma dinga chu ki thopi na hung te de ti chu amon yang amu chi lo hi ji a chu mulam le song phal ki ka chu ambush to wa song phala pa na mulam ki thopi dinga hung village volunteers also anitin wa ambush ani bolo mi ko gorhang chapang mi ko hunga hibin ui no khan ina nunga wan zui hin dogs are faithful pet kitiang hi mit mu changa tu chung chu mu do theina min ui cha chun an zuyo wa ui cha ji ang chu abon wa thigam lo he tiang chu ta san thei kho ma hin ui cha chu an ki puiwa ui cha hung masat le ambush to ho chu a het thimpana ui cha hin aga hap le ui cha cho ka masat pe nga bana to athite ni chapang te ni chu
ai le chi a thi dan hi mi ko la vela mi ni bo thi hi wa le khate hi jam do pai pe ti ding dan ham pt ham
cham khat chu ki kap to manu he ambush mana chana cham khat chu ki kap to manu wa amola ambush bola pang tangkhul thingnoi mi khatang chu chi ambush namuna chu ki kap to wa thi a hin thi pa yang cho mo hin chi lam noi lam sa na lam noi lam sa hi phata ambush ani to hin amo tangkhul athi pa chu aki kai la naw athi sana lon na chu anung chu trace aga ki bola le chen track ki bolle it goes down towards Sinakay Thilin. Later on hitziamwa athipa chu amon zole nalan sei ki to ba false narration as emwa cookies have attacked Sinakay Thil and the person who have died amachu petrol achina a cookie tenan thar hetim which is absolutely incorrect amachu ambush tola azawa ambush ani to na ki kap to na was I ho sapang hon akap li wa
lampi asai lang langa na tinuwa ai ta kap to hi le alang khan hi ama le ama ho le mo ki thad wa hi dem ti jong hi gel do the kham zen hin na lang khan lam sa langa ama ho diu lam thang langa diu ei mi te ei vv te lampi a hung lai ta ka mu wa hi le ama ho le mo ki kap khaw hi dem ti jong hi gel the kham sen hin te nai le ni ta mi ni i go lang te mi ni thi hi a thilong hi a uniform to address to lima hung viral na hi chi kon ala hi dem lim chu e mi te ni law ham mai lo le mi dai na la ham
ai mi te la wang chu a hi po in police sport investigation adinga hung cycle police le lamkai ke CSO lamkai ho thakana ki hung khom hin ke hol hun masanga chu 04 mahar te hi they were the first the first one to arrive at Mulam amo alhunji angso amalhunji awangso mulam chu apumani hal halo hin somle gup in somle gup mei so ni hal mano hin chule miyang ki ha to kha lo he amo thon ma sa ja amo mahar ke cho alhun don ba cho piti saidam chi mulam hin attack thing noi mi ho cho aka pe yo he mo hin cha cho mo chun lima la man diong cho akita san be se pon lang ani la mai theu he amo zo wa chu CRPF BSF galunga hin amo ko na cho hu viral he de maybe they have taken the pictures official reporting dinga allow ho hidinga kita san hin ei mi hon wang chun chi chu gala khal khal povin tin kata san ye chi chu ei mi hwa ko na wang he pon
ai le chi ama ho athi ho hina athi khadau min athi pen tuan an se banga sene kai thelanga du da he tin abanin chi ei mi athi te ni hi athal choi ho lai pi akhaten ala wa dem
athal choi ho chu ala pi da nam phua a tha tho wa la on
agui ad law ata sao e ta thala ki kap khana ti lowa ata sao e ta ipya aki ad khana du da tium thawam
I hi umlo athal bo zo chana agui a thawa aki po da no
ai le wichi wi cha jong khu pa sa nu ma ma je na ta wi cha ti ngam ta cha pa ti na ta wi cha ai le ho ki hal ho hi mi ki tong kha thawam khomi te
khomi te chu pia rang so in mu diu hin tin khomi te hi mi gup ki tong khaw he mi gup mi sagi ban hi mai the wen chale song phala to na song phala hi VV ho mama mi ni ki tong kha in nupi khat chu thal chang in aban hi a hit kha ham khanen mulam song phala chu mi thum sorry song phala mi thum mulama mi gup hichi mulama mi gup la chu chapang kum mi ha khadang gazawe hin ama puma chu mi gup
mulama ki tong ho hi piti hoi la lai piti ki to kha wa pi thala ki kap kha hamai lo le in ki hal ja hita ki tong khaw ham
uh, bomb explosives ang amano hiya first report army ako na ki muso ki hokal hun masang bahi BSF to army honi ki thowa akitong ko ho hi evacuate ani bolwa si evacuate ani bol do ho chu ki ho KSO adinga medical emergency team ka nei win amo chun akina cycle langani po hlau hin tin ke kata sata kani thun man nai lo hin amo ni po hlau wa cho but atam zo chu chi explosive splinter hwa ki su kha ngani
ai le VV ki tong ho le piti ki to khau
VV ki tong ko ho chu chi ambush mana ki tong ko ho
ne ki ha to khau ban mi hoi le lai piti ki to khau ha
mi khat pa wang chu akeng ati wa na akeng a ki ka kha hi ya ba na khat pa chu pi ti ta mi khat hi left abdomen na chule mi khat pa wang chu injury hi neck chule akeng aka kha wang khat
hi chi ki tong khau la koi ha serious pe nam
um considering the kind of injury chi sailin mang simte hi ama hi serious dinga ka ta sanin tunia hi visit aga bolo hin ki ho team khat hin lai si hei siam ho chu thil chom hi tan kangpo pia a serious de ho chu kangpo pia ki pula hin I change condition hi hom ti status update chu hulanga keso ukhurle keso bungpi team kangpo pia tu ni thivui na kin plus hospital a ti akiso akitong ko ho so gavat no hin amo report na ko na so hung ki hebep de
to a serious pe na ti pa chu hoi lai kap khau vai piti serious no
left abdomen ati ana hoi lang maybe yeah left abdomen
ale a khomi piti tawam to hung jam do ha me lo la kho sunga ve ve ham
nu naw chapang ho chu zani ka galhun ba chu mi lungthom hau thovin after all 50 to 60 household may kho hi a chule khurla dinga chu khomang kho a mai lang pe khoning pen ti de ham ai mi khodinga chu and it is surrounded by one of the some of the prominent so Mulam chu it is surrounded by some of the prominent Tangkhul villages of Ukhrul district. Amina pha dinga chu Sinakei thil chule Sirari khong na achung langa Sirari khong uma anoi langa Sinakei thil umehin ya chu hitabang aso ma thu hitan tin aso zawa hi mihim chu itabangin kahang sane ki tiangle inang ki hala thalang iki kama ikusunga min in lon lut ki ti chu ichan gem khana mi alung niaw sa thein chu human nature khana hin kagal hono chu nu naw chapang ho chu hausa ho ai lo le upa ho chu na saving women and children ho be hi let's shift them to safer place atin chu lam kai ho ka hung nom povin attack chu ahung bol chai oi tan required security measures su kilai tan no hwadinga security ki thumbe chule avelang you know nikhat ningi sunga hung ding oi pon achung cho na chu nu naw chapang am kil lowa le chun security ho chu khosung chu an nga nom lo diu he tiang chu het thei di dol khat he ji chun amo chu tha do di ki tiu hin house ho chun lam kai ho ki nom lowa ki tha do sa lo grouping a hita he hovina nom khom diu common mess setup na bol diu ham chikha chu bolun lang necessary no hon na ngei cha thil ho chu ki hon min he sa win lang security aba ne na tiong le security sei be na thang le sei be diu khowang na da ha lo diu he kya chu hung ki lhamo na hung ki da lai
to a khova security langa koi umham
one rep of army rep team khadang min chule CRPF min aban kit le BSF jang hung be
to mulam le suang phel hi na ichana ki gam tha hon nam
I think 3 to 4 kilometers
hai chi ki ka
ahin lam
okay
pi bang so nok lo he
to an ho hi chi mong ko langa pa na ga chiu hi na pung kai za to bang na zon ham
gari na nga po ana
pakarot be ha me lo le thing lak lam pi
pakarot so ni kiti de ham inter village road may ya concrete kisung ti di dan hin tin lampi nup lo win tin almost 2 hours so wang so lu ne
ai
mong
le
pa na
ama ho hin na ama ho hi si mulam le song phelte hin bazar hoya kai jiu ham
mulam songpal cycle sele
cycle
kangkopi and phat lai tile 2023 masanga cho phayang cho bazar ni kai ji win yai gang popi ki tiong akai win mekhi gal zo ba cho litan a hilole cycle a bazar hung kai ji win tu tangkul gal zo ba pan awang hi cycle aban le kang popi chiwa cho am lo wale senapati
cycle hi pungkai za to banga zot divem
3 hours
ale gari nei hom thovam 4 wheelers lang
gari wang so ning thobe 4 wheeler so jana
ai le adang to hi chi ama ho lang ki sei ta di le na agamaum te a khomi pi te le e ho avi vi lang ho seidanin izat to bang hi ama ho lang gitong khadinga gin sa rumai
Zania chu as it is new sang sa yana mi li ho wang so ki so chi a hatu ki dal ha pa puma so mi li hibin tu suna chu rumors ke nin chi mi li la chu mi thum athibe ticket bin na ki su kha bang so mo hi ki su kha tho diu he zania chu ki hol hun zo wang so mur langa chu village volunteers ho chun adal to wa phat sort pikhat chu cross firing umehin ki tong kha wang so tho di win wang so ki ta san ai wanga mo hi ka kum le hin a thiu jang le a ki to kha au jang le im tang ye teng le a im thei jing wa ya so
immediate
exactly ke te go
immediate ma guys hin ve bo hilai muna kaum ve guys ki dite hi be lo hin nam ho hi ale hi chi interesting thowin na amun na ga thunin a hatu ki dal ha pa hi a hatu dila amalang hatu hilo asai lang hatu khat kia sa the hi le chun asung lang hi I chanam khara deme sum di hin na ken jong sun lain kana muin hoi lai lam khara ka post le na hatu be ong ki lain khumi pi de ko ma imachan an lo lo dio an koi hin wa ka kana sei pi de kana tin ama hi itit thu ki za dana bale airlift helicopter ki podo dan ham hoya ko na pu ha
chi sina ke thela pa na chu sirari khong apo do wale sirari khong apa na chu ukhurlang aju thayo hin and airlift ki bona helipad hui bana le chun of course I think it is one of the helipad in Assam rifle camps probably either like Shangshak or Somsai ding awang chu ka ta san lo because Somsai hi ka chi jing thowa khowa hu bank ang umei je acho ukhri chi lai chu bank kinai luting le chun Somsai chu ki patho hin tin Somsai helipad ding awang chu ki lom he a Shangshak wang chu hile ki lom but whatever it is zanha chu airlift a borna video ang chu ki chenga event na le chun Assam rifle helipad he mun khat Assam rifle camp khat awang chaw thut noi de
to si lim hung viral na whatsapp dunga lim hung viral amei chang ka ho amei chang ho empty case ho a bomb ho ki bena ile si OFV ki zin na OFV hi hel ho ding in ordnance factory Varangao na hin adia security Indian security army hi tele navy hi tele paramilitary force ho tele mei chang hi chi small arms ho hung ki siam na hin hi chi hi le am ho ta ba hi ding ham ai lo wale hi chi arambai tengol ten abulu ho na langa la gublang ana bulu je ana lapi ho security force tia pana state force tia pana hi chojong hi ding hap ti hi gincha na khada hongu min na ai le hi chi to amei chang akap la ho ti lovin jong adang muffler dan deu khajong ahung viral in na hi chu athan pin e santen akia ajiu he ti ni chi na ho gel dan na cha tang khulte ho bo se lowai khat ho jong ama ho jong e sante hung zau ding ani gin cha thowam aje chu e chi kan don aje chu kukin pite in pite press release ajong ahin seu vin na arambai tengol teu mi zan ham khat khulanga um ve ti khanin kana simin ichi pya nang ma amuna umni to ne hedan
bui si bui ki patela chu ni khat ni chu firing ima chu lo hin ai wa nga chu ching masang apan a chu sai do lo wa chu it's an open secret ti de wa chu u keng na te le e san te chu a ki thove ti chu a thuang ani ki sei jing hin hi tia ki kap to na ahu uma tu chunga the ongoing unrest chung changa hi ki kap to na hung ki pana pan awang chu ki ging mo hin hi tin ki sei le ki ta san ma ma he na khat e san te jaw de hi ipija am tela mo chi boina ha bol ho hi amo foothills naga ho even foothills naga kitila eastern flank kiti ho hi ha ta a me hlete to wang chon aki vo mo hi pha sema cho aniki hejing hin ale tu chunga chu pha sema ni ki sei banga chu evidence thailo ale tu chunga ambush mun chu an bet noile ke ang ka ta sa ta kom hin amuna chu mtk's lo la cha ki pang tho hin 27 cho police record na hin police record a bol zo wang cho ngalang gup lang hi ka mu be ke wa ka pi be ke no he chala almost 30 to 40 rounds wang hi akap do hin chala chun ani ki ging mo mo so tu chunga chu approve ti di dan tan tin physically am lo wang le chun virtually ti dam in other means awang so apang khom tho tho ve ti so soilo hi tai tu chunga so approve ang proof ha koi the he tu chunga thil ki mo chana suggestions chichu in everything they are supporting each other media he hanlang propaganda kat amplify body hiangle ki thokom jingoi like hilanga news su kuki ho news su tia phaitola media houses also they give a damn about what is actually going on with the cookies broadcast ang abol lo diu he ai wa chu tangkul ho thu chu alu chat chat no he news ho hin phai sunga valley based media houses ho hin na chu chu media ki thailo emanations ki thailo to chu manpower ang chu azaw di wang chu it's 100% kita asana hitai to ki ging mo hitalon kita asana hit
ai le chi zani la chun na no lang mongkot te jong hin fighting na ni tho ham zani zan langa ni tha langa
yeah mongkot in fact in amo pit saida in truth ahung bolwa khusunga attack ahung bolo wangwa chu mongkot chepu is the first village tangkulon attack and bolu hina mongkot chepu chu masapen he and relentlessly after nikhat athi mang le 1 day of calmness would be the longest 24 hours so at akap long le ajingle kap tho tho he mongko chukan nisima ti the jing tai janing e lang chu langa mulam attack a bol wang wa so around 10 a.m. just minutes after I left my village mongko chepu thalgin ki japane tai pung sombe la pan aso pung sombe la pan aso thal ging ging zenga pungni nila sun pungni chan ge hi ginga ahin hilaika a boy chu pi ham tile amohin ei pawai sela apo son te tivin amohin apo son te aman ji ji wa hin amuna deploy ki ball security forces ho hin ichi tangkhul te ka bai banga chu ka kom le hin ei ho ingo jiwe no hon jang na ka wen ti chu chika lang hi security forces hoten ki boidi di jing ipiza am tile ki ho ji hon la ki nei lo hiya and then tangkul ho boin amman hiya thua bo ki sei sei jinga amoding ang so they may believe us once apart from meeting listen mi hem khat dinga so is the bang til khat so imu lo experience bolo khat ga ni khat sei mena ta san gun ke ding so it's a difficult thing ya so janyang so hut pi khat na so security forces auto sen ki ni le 2 p.m. changya wang so koiman retaliate na bolo diu he sipai hon let them handle kitin ai wa so chika la so handle bole ma ma ai ho so in gin mo phat wa so atu tia le ke hon we trust you with your life, but no hon ke ho sun nei le ta san lo wa ka bol po ve ka tiong le nei ngo na na du le fine, that means tongkul ten izat in ka mo le no chun protect nei bolo di defend nei bolo di din mo na hitan tu tia le ke ho ke defend ta wi ke tia chapang hong chu ke se to tu ma ba na an kap kit wa le wang sun nan ni le tho de we ta ke ti pi in cha chu ni ha long chun I think around 450 something an tha kap kin le cha wang chun e ho lang ho wang chun mai pu manga le lut piu to I pe le lut piu to ki ha bol tho
ale tua injuan an sei jam na marsi chapang kum ni vel WhatsApp la dunga hoi la social media jong hong viral in na ama hi ai pi hoi lai ki tong kha ham chapang na chapang nu chu
um it's chat bang so ke he hit nam, however mai dunga bruises also chi explosion ang among betis also explosives le automatics on ke manga inang ki halai ji also mai vela bruise also piti saida aki safe ding agot na ham aki dal na ham ipiam khat awan su ki sukan tin, but major luckily major injuries wangsa nei lo ama hi details
ichi
at het lo lai kunjam
boina hongum tiang le na nam kal boina gal pi zon le nu me le chapang chunga mi hong khan se tiang lin pon at ji hin na hi cho hi pon at ma ai le tu jing ka na tu ni news hin talui kholanga sam rifle te galunu le ana khamovin tangkhul mera pai bi hon get ana tingu bin hila a hin phute te vin khat hi hong ki tong kha nu pi na mera pai bi to ki lo chen thau net not khat vo thau ne jing hi ding ham ama hong ki tong khat himin hi chi hoi lai la ham to e mi te kho aga bulu naw mun to hin kinai thawam talui ki ti
yes sirari kong bana chu tuloi he and tuloi ihon amon tuloi ativini hon tuloi kiti hin tuloi chu sirari kong ban na tangkul kho hin, and I think one of the oldest and one of the best village tuloi wo in jase gi wal cheng ho hin mi te kho chen dan ne ho ei mi te kho chen dan cho ki ba lo dan cho yo cho in som ngai in som sa ging cho kho khan ai se mo he mo so minimum 3 to 400 so kho khan as a village you will find very few tangkul villages with lower than like 150 household the tuloi chu kholien mo mo
e mi te som nga som gup te thiam som nga som gup le mi te na khopi ki ti ta na in nga in som ti ho jong hi yum ne no bi ni cho jong hi khang ki hil iti ichanin ki hil jong le han a ki zui pon na boina hum phale nam mi pi te ho nam mi te ho du da hoi ti jivin a le chi tangkhul te jong hi vet vena hi le security force te hi nom ta bol jiu ham nai pi ham khat om jin om dani asam rifle te hin combing operation a bol ki god jiu ham hi ta an kham jiu hi
Edi he combing operation ahilova legend. I don't think there is no reason for them to obstruct the movement of Assam Rifles, and it is evident from the very beginning of this ongoing unrest. Wherever the security forces go to carry out their lawful operations, um, they have always been met with obstruction. Akham kham jingo he chi physically ata obstruct a bolong chu thilchum hitantin it has become very common khozo sia chu easily they don't let them enter iwa banga chu cooperative hilo he na agalu no le uh, so they're indeed blood brothers with Meiteis. Le nupi ho chen Meira pai bi tiwa Meira ke chaiwa mi etino hintu la hi the Tangkul women also have started copying that trend of Meira pai bis chen ka ke chaiwa ta so obstruct a bol jeng o he. So kyu chui lawa amo so open ta restriction notice on so open ta release a bol jeng o he mo ini mu mai the du he na Raudai TM Kasum, and then the Thoi or allies Thawai Tangkul among some open ta village VA letter head na armed forces dinga cho restriction notice a so jeng oi
cho hi hoi lai binding zong hi pon an nui zan be min abanin thili tiang su ahung che pai pai le hin tunia chi whatsapp dung ahung viral asam rifle ten a barricade of food khu hi cho khu i ma cha hi nai lo hin aji chu phai kho song to ki bang lo thing hlang ga ma hi armed forces special power re gu ma hin abana asam rifle ten hi army command na no ya ngum ve hin na i chan ham khana abo ane abol mobile a hin ne du hin tin hin la po na ta tin ham army circle adinga hal khat vet hazep khat chuile zani dunga whatsapp ahung viral asam rifle te soti ahung kile ham koi ham anna che guwa a uniform oi pp hon na chek na khu na namu mai the hin na asam rifle te
yes
a bag ho kisan a che guwin ai le tu jingka khat ahung viral ki din hi chola hin tangkhul te mi khan hin asam rifle te thil hin gu ba ha na nupi ten ana pho ti dan khat kinin hi to bang ho hi ji ham na ho langa
yeah o ume he ja cho hung so hin tin na yeng ham lo he la cho chi hi si chu chu lelam khanai bet na le amo to I hoi ki ba lo now khanang hin tin and I'm happy amo chan I copy diwang ke bang ka dei pon itabang thil ki pon ayang le we are law abiding citizens and let us remain that way hitilom loma going to the extent of frisking the security forces and then the part masajo I think 1 month hardly 1 month back amo nupi ho chon officer kha chu you are illegal immigrant ati bate illegal ati tam hichi ki san gyang jo ki ho hin chu chu hi chan chu ima country defend bowling sipay kiti disrespect ki bola it is um, disregard of the service and the sacrifice the personals of security forces give towards the nation. We are doing a huge disservice by treating them that way. Here, so can get tinum so ka kumle ipo na nang so sentiment so sang zina so ayang le to that level ga ke su ni ma hita banga mi palesile security forces khat so hi chan ge lom lo ma so disrespect boarding wang so ke bang as ke as a person in ang kanum pon tu ni chan ge I ho society in hita bang ito lo zo he ka ki papi in democratic country a ichen lo so thilo si chu lampi he na lampi a chu lampi ki holdi he hitia very violent very uncivil way a thil bolo wang he hoi ka sapon ale lam khana chu isai ki na le kon ka chun challenge a an la jivin amo nu pi hon ban khu ta bol le ipita I hon I bol ngam lo am thi bol ngam le ngam lo on chu thil cho min ten bol ding ang ka ta san poi um ka dei lo ta san je thil zum bol ding ang ka dei lo khat ne ume na chang chu chi assam rifle de chu I ho notice mi tam nai je chu gin mo suma chu ei mi cookie zo personal zau khadam tiang chu ache ngoin tin that is utterly stupid of them to do that
so hi i chan jong thung dia pon tin na chi ip ko sunga hang to bang ho me a hin chom khat hi just am ho jong security force te jong hi alanga I chan ham khana restrain am ho self restrain a bolo hin na aji chu i chan ham khana mo jong peace a maintain nom jeu jong hin tin abanin imphal khopi jong akung jeng jungin zani ukrul tangkhul te khanin emi te khwa a hatua ki dal ha le aso pite e san te khanin thi zum khada phuin amal pia ki phunin choi ahung ki to le le thil so ho hina amon hilanga thil khada to le hilanga thil khada to ti khanong ki to angum le le ale marsi nang mu dolin cycle le hangyim ne langa hi medical facilities pha hinam
we are I think we when I say we thangim nei le cycle langi you know, amo behalf ka senti we are working on it masanga sanga bang chu aphatai apha mo ti di tai ta hi ilhanga medical facilities a hoilo apoi modanang chu in he ta ju chen ki pawmin I think e ho hi mingolte hi win futuristic vision neilote hi ji also lampiang ki neilo medical facilities hoyang ki neilo but the 2023 violence te out in communal class jiang hin I ho nga thil pa chum pi tongin tu lang lang awang cho hinge emergency azu thei ham zo wang hitan and I hope we will work more on it.
Masangin short movies sa kana jong short videos kana jong kana seitan amanin hin sei beleng langim ne lang hi pu let pau hospital kiti khat na ken let pau hospital kiti le mla pu let pau kan hi sa sen na hi lo dan hin na
Okay.
let pau hospital kana chi sam sau lam kai khat acha te khat ga ki vet sa a zingka ki vet sa ni la phachom lo ati ba ai lo la jing ni ati ba kana alo pi ho phachom lo thim ding dan hin apa zonga ga chin thalaga choin ipiti dana damlo na ki vet sa wa tu chan chana phalo ham tin hospital ma ya thalaga kap ga ka min hele hospital a doctor a hung tong lam kalang ipita min jong es thari tiu ba ki ha se le la koi se ham tin kan do vin tin e chi lam kalang nunga khat mbbs sai khat hospital a doctor a hung tong nu chu ki chawal walin azing ni ma main garia ki bat pain dima pulanga zoni lam kalanga thung tai ki tin na hi chaw to bang din mun hi wa le adin hangim ne lang hi emi kho chi chi ki jong le lam kalang sanga hi hal khat doctor medical facilities doctor hin na tha samma ma diu hin alo le ai jong le a khut thiem ai lo le zil na ne qualification qualified doctor hin na tambe lo diu hin itiam hanin hung boy te lo chen min ipitian zo diu ham mi da dam lo ki ti hi doctor te hin adam mona a vetna chi dung jo lo pi diu ki to pi lo the ai ko doctor te mo ngwa la phai khopia e san te to banga adam lo khare ki bol khela le hospital aga sat set wa doctor te vo wa ti hot bangi igamai chi pi wa le koi hung nom dham na itiam hanin boina hung so sang helang aliama bai hung tam henlang medical emergency khat hungum tale lam kala panin doctor hal khat be hung ki thopi vo tile mi tam ten lungan gel ma sadiu hena thang gim ne a doctor hina ka ga sacrifice diong wangan mo ti diu na Syria to bang Lebanon to bangan gel diu hin chi ipingai dan na ne am nangin
I think just one thing that gun is not a solution for everything. Gun should be the last option, the last viable option. Ta so thilo si chu thal toi to wale hoya ba chi dam na and hopefully he chiang hi in head du hin tin I ho hi I to kha ta ka wa chu hello te hi win I ho society hi isaya le pute ho ki phon ani ma da win tin che ta ga sai ma ba so thal la chu imo se solution ki mudi ai pon na ka kum le sun thal jaw lo ba solution mu lo na am teng le bo chen mang chaw tin le lam khat na chu I ho society hi vet na le chen how ki se khunung lim hi lo win tin I to ta ka wa I ho hi ki to ta nge lang ki ching lo te hi ji ba chu iptm ki sai ta them I think I have nothing to say further on this. Let's
ke mudana hina ke mudana hi thangim ne ya hospital ho hian lang cycle lang hoi jong cycle lang ba chu ka het chet pon sai pi tam le tam tan tin thangim ne ya hospital ho hi ai mi doctor be lo danin ka he na tam zo hi ukeng lang ho hi ham ai lo le nepali lang ho hi thimu ham e santel hung pum hung thelo hin itam hanin boina hung so sang tele ama ho hung ki ta hi le boy che mei thei na hi asam sau lang hon jong hal khat mi pi lang thal long hi mi pi lang alowa hospital ichanin boina hoi la le lisit pumpia boina jong le Red Cross na Red Cross kiti hospital medical emergency lang hi akoi na to kha lo hin ei mi te hi tai bol hi di lo hin na hi chi ki holim na an ve hon jong an head diu poi mo hin a je chu hospital dong a power so kiti hi khan to
Not
lo khan to
acceptable.
ha khan to
Yeah,
lo na
yeah.
ding a jong a chung nung pen khan to lo na chung nung pen hin hi cho hi an a bol daw le jong phan tin ai le tua hi nang muda na tua mulam le song phel hi na aban iti sei dam tua security force ho hi hoi lai ki ngau ham a kho den ham mai lo le aga gala petrolling ka chi jiu ham hoi lai ki station
No.
ham
BSF, CRPF, inza ka say banga cho amo team ho hi station da no. Tam
khwa
say
den
lo
no
wa station da no at Mulam. Song phalang to security forces phabep to station of in. But they are lesser in comparison to the number of personals deployed in Mulam. Ay banga cho ani ta cho dano hi ge dano.
amo au me mi dong hi chanam khana siap di mi pi te ong thamong ziap de hin na ba nei pi ham khana hung bol ba jong le hin tin against the law ti jong hi tan tin ai la alas na chai na mi pi te na mun tin kam te na mi pi te hi ito bang lunggel anane hoin na ti ham ana thamong vi ni ma cha ti pon tin ti no ma mai lawa le ipilang dol hung hin te ti na gelam
To hi see ukhul situation hi thala gal kyu kyu hitelovin lekha A4 galang hi de na PR ki sole kon kha chun mi an tai tom jivin A4 hong leng pan tai ti jivin see A4 gal le thal gal chu chi khom ngai he ya chu athal gal chu amuna hon a hi thei dan le a hoi na thei dan le Myanmar zo na thei chun hingong na vin tin A4 gal pa hi ukhula CSO ho se ngan si po tin ki tho khom che utin. See, I was literally shocked. See, kasoma tangkul teni athia chong PR ngasi papa jing he from every nook and corner of Naga dominated area and Naga CSOs titautin not only the tangkuls but chichu hita banga brutal incident khachu condemn and also kewe whether they support or whether encourage or not that is different story but apu na napa chu in expression bole ichi to bong ho chu pass ikhatna chun thawaya incident as a 12 March incident as a then khugin bai tele thang boy mang lun ki ma chu ni chang chu ki kit lo hen na I ho ai mi te hi ki tho thei lo dan dan noi ga sai dinga A4 gal hi imunem be se dorin am khat dinga chu in pi ukulten asole phatalo di ha amona so tu chang chu phakhap talo di tabanga ikhat piti sai dam ei ho isu chu down pay ki bol jivin na chi tu chunga iki ba lo dan pau chu ka vetna le kapuna mama in to amo chu only khatbela hung thiwa chu changya candle light vigil ga bolwa PR rang thang de in ta I ho chu 12 March mini innocent villagers tui se ma ga chi mini min tu ta hin thana chiki sanang chu PR rang chu sim thei ko me I think count in my like fingers nga ham gu ham ba chu ki mu hin kya chu lung se ta in condemn bol thei thilom ting le hin amuna CSO hobo ngan si potin iso so cheu hitin A4 gal chu gal kap thengan chang hi ji chun kap kho motin ahin itu sayo demand appeal in ebang le chu ki ba sautin details ipi hong ki ba sautin ki zaman hotin ki tho khong te thing ding ai tan CSO level a hian strategic defense langai hang le ukhul hi kuki zo nam dang ho hin in person a kapunai tiu hin organization level a hi visible be set lo a hi ji chun nimo vet pau hi nin gal vet pau hi ni gal vet data win in zo le ani vai ge le I bon chake wa I man na diu hi ji chun thal gal hi an lang A4 gal hi ang le kap kho mo te ti chu ka taw na nom pe na hi
lam kalanga amimala organization thumle li nei jong ka umovin na am hon jong iti ki hona na zaw la mo organization through a hin bol diu hi de saw hin ale marsi a chaina ding in na zani khatve ni la dung ti ding ham chi ni thumbon na hin bol lai taw wa tangkhul water supply department nupi ho na hi chi pipe aga satan awi hoi lai mun ham
oh well very well see it's at Litan COB 8 Bihar regiment ho Litan COB ka ina pa na ki gal mu kem cho hin 8 Bihar regiment te a he Laingang
emite
ching
to halo na
emite to khalo like not directly but indirectly so thunup lai chu chi pipeline apa na chu chi Litan COB a chu tuilu na chi Litan COB apa na chu surplus au ma le chun Litan sarai ko nga emi hon huvin vela ho na huvin veng a tivin chu chu huvin veng chu chi COB noi cha choi ta je a chu hilai veng ka chun ani jiu he ka komle so indirect not directly but yes indirectly abang so aimi ho changa so impact thowe ai ba so tu tariya chu alitan sari kong te so lo ai ji wa so se pe wa sa no mo sa ta vin te ahin sa no mo sa ta vin te kitile ki you know very, it seems very insensitive ai wa ai hoa hi lo ji chun atatu ton ki thamna lo di ham ti lang pang za zo ka sai hin tin on top of that hita water pipeline water department ho hi amwa hi afal ma win thawai ku ki ang ho it's been almost 2 months a day time tui aboi na ho amo tangkulo water department hon pipeline an tan pi ji wa ho asima BSF ho ga chiule BSF ho so threaten and bolovin इधर पाइप बनाने के लिए दोबारा आएगा तो गोली चलाएगा अन TP BSF ते को मजा सिपा चुन BSF ते nga chi kit tapovin to ho a hi thei na tulua ki kai loi akale army water tanker in ahung supply loi ta a hin chi thawaya pipe an tan pau hu thawai the whole thawai village including Shanghai village plus those BSF who are deployed in Thawai Kuki. I'm also see direct impact on you water pipeline.
so hi bang phanan jong ni chom povin tin ai le ki pau ma mai marsi mi pi anangai thon het na divin nunga marsi khong sai hi damlo te ki tong khate mulam le song phela damlo ki tong kha ho tang khulten an kap lem ho veding a cycle hung hin chi cycle a aum lai ta thong kyo hin mi pi ten na mi pi ten imi sa te chen na khu aki hal na le ki to kha na le thina manai na to na munu mi pi te na mi pi te heading a ngai khon za long kyo hung kyo le mo hin abanin a chaina ding in na mi pi te koi to nunga marsina sei to bangin A4 gal lang press release lang English pawila IPP le na satain pangkho mutin abanin adin khang tha nunaw chapang ho khang tha ho adin social media mandan pilwango tin halkhat
Kemote.
thiamutin post lo thei gel jiutin thil khadi post sa nga post lo jong phazoding thil jong I confirm lo wa thil asi lung thei hile mo forward wat lo ding ti hi kain se te hintin mundinaum hi chi ka kyaulim na on ngai thla ho zo se na bonun chi bai lemang pha marsina jong safe zone ni to le
Oh, like pa me mi piti ho na kisim smart ji po na simple wale ti ho so lai to lai ki la je in twang hi hospital a mi bia hung ki hung ute ho cycle a temporary put up abor na mun wa hi hung ki to wa hung ki ho li mai ji chun outer appearance hi poi mo sabe se potin su lai to lai ki hi ji chun chi sanga ki hoi mo ni khoyang hum di hin ani ki hethe mo te ti so a chainan kan sei no me ki pa e
hitia ap the tu rai ki hawan nan de lo ho chu wang sian koi jeng uti na mar si ai pi jong le la chenom ta va le
Look at the smoke arising from one of the burned house. Whilst some smoke are still rising from some of the houses. You can see some houses have been completely burned. 16 houses were completely burned this morning. The attackers came down from that mountain. This is one direction. And the ambush was done at the ridge of that hill. And one more direction, that is the way downward of the village. Another team came for attacking. So the scale of the attack is evident. Around, as I have said, around 16 houses have been set ablaze. This was not a distant clash. Attackers infiltrated deep into the village to carry out the assault. There are more houses. As I'm climbing upward of the village, we'll show you more debris from burned houses. As you can see, I think this is one of the 16 houses that was burned this morning. Yeah. So any reporting that ignores these facts does a disservice to the truth and to the people affected. The story that Sinakate Hill was under attack and by the Kuki militants and one Tangkul volunteer got killed by the Kuki militants, that is completely false story. Even the government agencies with their ground report would prove that. I'm here standing right now in Mulam. Further details from the ground raise serious concerns about the nature of the attack. Empty cartridge cases recovered at the site are reported to match those typically issued from state armories. This is a really disturbing discovery. This points to the possibility that the attackers had access to government-sourced weapons. There are also allegations that the assault involved coordinated elements linked to NACN Eastern Flank and Arambai Tengol. These claims warrant immediate independent verification.